It's Thursday night, and this means just one thing. It's Live Lounge. St. Luke's Sound live in the Bradford studio, supporting local bands and singers in and around the Yorkshire area. Get ready, here it comes.
Yes, it is, and we are live in the Bradford studio, and we have live in the studio. They've warmed up, they are ready. It's Halstead Clan, it's Matthew and Nigel. Guys, how you doing? You okay?
Excellent, thank you.
Awesome. Ready for this first one?
Yes.
Awesome. What is the first one going to be?
This is called A Light Out of the Dark.
Great stuff. It's all yours. Enjoy.
As a bird sings on a cold December morn, the alarm rings, I'm up before the dawn, all over town, the snow falls quietly down. I hope I can learn this year enough to keep us safe and warm again. We will sing with all our hearts, a light out of the dark. People leave their cars to walk. They'll be safe until the morn. So when I get home to you, I trust that the home fires keep me warm, burning so bright, like a candle in the night. All that I can see are the people that I care for, and who care right back for me. We will sing with all our hearts, a light out of the dark. We will sing with all our hearts, a light out of the dark. Oh, oh, we will sing with all our hearts, a light out of the dark. Oh, oh,
Loved it. Excellent, guys. Thank you very much.
Playing the very best music that's allowed on the air. Carl Mott live in the Bradford studio. This is St. Luke's Sound.